Hello, my desktop publishing students. Okay, we're continuing. This is the third video now, a continuation of the previous one. And I want to go over the printing. Now, when you go to print, you must be on the spreadsheet. Doesn't matter where, as long as you're on the spreadsheet. Now, we do your headers and footers just like we've always done. So we're going to go to print. I got to choose my right printer here. Okay, and page setup. What's the first thing we do? Landscape. Sheet, grid lines, row column headings. And now, going back to page here, sometimes the portrait will work better. So you'll have to decide this one, okay? You'll have to decide that, but you'll know which one to use when you look at your material. And now let's go to header footer. Custom header, that never changes. Your first and last name. And you know something else? I do want you to go shift home, and I do want a size on here. When I'm checking your work, it's a lot easier for me to see a larger size. So I want about size 20, and choose a color. I don't care what. And by now you should have some colors or fonts that you like. And remember how I taught you to go here, go down and pick out some different fonts for me, whatever is different to you, but I want to see something different. All right, so continue to do that until you get 4 or 5 that you know you really like. All right, and then the date and time, and that doesn't change. The right section, I want the sheet name, and I want page, spacebar OF, spacebar pages. That is all the same. You've got to do that. All right, say OK. And then custom footer, in the left side, I want the path and file name. Now leave the pictures because most of the times you might have 3 or 4 charts, and therefore we're going to have 3 or 4 pages. So I'm not going to make you put the picture in at this point. You all know how to do that. All right, so say OK and say OK. Now take a look. Do you see? Here's part of the chart, but all the chart didn't get here. You see this? All right. So then you have to decide what you're going to do to make it fit. All right. And there's more than one way to look at how this is going to fit. First of all, I'm going to go to Portrait and take a look at Portrait. Okay, Portrait fits all the chart that way, but here I've got this much left over. So chances are I can make this one fit if I use Portrait. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to size it down a little. And like I've told you, you can't size it down too much because then I can't read it. Okay? And you can't either. Alright, so I came down a little bit. I don't think it'll be enough, but let's go to File, Print. And I didn't come down enough. All right, I'm going to go to page setup here, and I'm going to say adjust to, I'm going to try 80%. Okay, I'm going to try 80, and there it all fits on. Now, I maybe could have got 85. Hold on here. I'll try 85. All right, so I was able to fit it on with 85%. I'm happy with that, and that's what you have, except I'm not happy with this here, so we got to adjust this. All right, so I've got to go back here, and now I don't know why it didn't adjust. Well, I didn't want to do that. I want this, so I want to come back here a bit. All right, let's take a look at that now. So let's go to File, and let's go to Print. Okay, just made it. I should have come back just a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to come back here a little bit. Well, I want to get this. Okay, let's have a look at it now. And let's go to File, Print. Whoa, what happened there? That was a good mistake on my part to show you. Do you see here? You're only going to print the chart. Why? Take a look. I've got the chart selected. So that's a total different story than printing the spreadsheet. Watch, I'm on the spreadsheet now. I go to File, Print. And I see my spreadsheet and I see my chart. My distance is good. But if I go back here and I click on the chart only, I go to File, Print, and look what I get. And this you cannot print. You're using too much toner. You're not allowed to print this, okay? All right, and the same here, you won't print out anything in the chart section because too much toner is just being used. So when I ask you to get it ready for printing, you have to go here and be able to show me on screen what it's going to look like if you print it, but you don't print. So there's what I'm looking for. Nothing has changed, and as I say, either you're going to use portrait or landscape depending on the chart that you need to fit in. All right, and I want to go back one more time. No, my page break is here. That's good. All right, so let's stop there, and that's all that you need, and that completes your first exploratory session on charts.